Liv, what's on your neck? You're going to get dizzy doing that, silly goose. Do you have a necklace on? Olivier? You're going to get dizzy. Do you have a necklace on? It's beautiful. Easy. Whoa, it's right above you. Livy, where's your eyes? Look at Mommy, I can't see. I can't see. Where's your eyes? Show Mommy where your eyes are. Olivia?
Yeah?
Where's your eyes? Show me your eyes. Olivia. Do you have any eyes? Where's your nose? Look at Mom. Lev? Where's your nose? Oh, you and the TV. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Livy? Yeah, that's your mouth. Where's your ears? Where's your arms? Where's your bum? Where's your knees? No, knees. Yeah. Where's your fingers? Where's your fingers? Where's your neck? Yeah. Where's your hands? Yeah. Where's your belly? Oh, there it is. Where's your chin? Yeah. Where's your hair? Hair. Yeah. Where's your elbow? Where's your elbow? Show Mom. No, your elbow. Where is it? I can't see you. You're too close to me. Where's your elbow? No, that's your knee. Your elbow. Here. Yeah, that's your elbow. Where's your tongue? Oh, I see it. Where's your cheeks? Cheeks, not chin, your cheeks. Where's your cheeks? Yeah. Where's your cheeks? Where's your cheeks? Where's your legs? Careful with that. Did it hurt? Did it pinch you? Gotta be careful. Can you dance for me? Lev, can you dance? Woo, wiggle the bum. Dance. Woo, wiggle your bum. You're funny. Woo, wiggle bum. Raise your hands in the sky. Lev, raise your hands in the sky and say woohoo. Go yippee. Look at me. Hi, Risey. Hi, buddy. He's a good boy. Lev, Simon says, touch the sky. Touch the sky. You can't roll over with that thing on you there, boo. It's a beautiful necklace. It's a beautiful necklace you have. Do you gotta go poops? Do you gotta go poopsie? Do you gotta go pee-pee? You gotta go pee-pee? Yeah? Yeah. Pee-pee in the Dora toilet? Where's Dora? Right there. I don't see it there.
Bobby, here we are, ladies.
Dora's chair over here, Boo. Look, Dora's over there. Look, Dora's over there. Right there on the floor. Right there. Go get Dora. Okay. There she is. Okay, Mommy's gonna go get your lunch. Okay, put it on the floor. Put it on the floor so you can sit down. There you go. Sit down. Oh, you gotta sit down on that chair? Sit down. Woo! Do you need your nose blown? You gonna go blow your nose? Okay, Mommy's gonna go get your lunch. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say see you later.
See you.